You can see I started my session. I got 19 minutes left. I'm also doing the wand, or they call the claw, on my legs because I want to try to help my lymphatic system. I'll do this on each leg for a little while. It's got not only the Terahertz and PEMF, it also has the red light, as you could tell. It also has the TENS unit, the EMS. It's giving me electric stim, it's giving me some frequency, it's giving me some red light, and some heat. I got the heat just set to 1. And at the same time, I have the footplate at a 2. I have it low because it's late, and I don't want to have it too high before going to bed. This is kind of what I do when I wake up, and I do it again when I go to bed. I do a lower setting at bedtime, a 2, maybe a 3. Then I do a higher setting, maybe a 4, when I do it in the morning. As you can see, this right leg, the swelling has gone down from the lymphatic system. I've had cellulitis on that leg multiple times in my life, so that lymphatic system is compromised. This helps create flow in my blood. I'll send you the link to the blood on what happens to your blood before and after you do PEMF, pulse electromagnetic field stimulation therapy. That's what I'm doing today. If you want to know more about this technology and how it can help, not only for like me, neuropathy, there's a lot of other conditions, people with bad knees, people with plantar fasciitis, people with joint or arthritis issues. Of course, with this one, you can also do your back, you can do your shoulders, you can do different body parts, you can do your neck. If you have stiff neck, I also have used it on my face because I had a wound that was there. The red light also helped the healing of my face. So anyway, just wanted to share this with you. Drop me a PEMF, drop me info, drop me whatever you want. I can show you not only how to get this machine, you could even get it on payment cycle using Klarna, or if you just want to go ahead and invest, you could also use an HSA account. A lot of people do that who have HSA accounts with their health insurance. But yeah, it's a great opportunity to get the machine. I'll show you as you share the technology and the machine with 3 people, not only will you get the cost of your machine reimbursed, but you'll start setting up an income stream that you can use later for whatever other things you want to do. If you want to buy more devices, if you want to buy the shake and massager or the goggles, or even later if you want to just use it for whatever, an emergency fund, use it to invest in the stock market, whatever you feel like doing, buying crypto, whatever you feel like doing. You can always use extra income, especially with this economy right now and the stresses and the challenges that people are going through. Anyway, I hope you reach out to me, Armando Garza, at pmfnation.com. That's the Frequency Awakening. Or just drop me an emoji, drop me a comment, drop me a share. Please feel to like and share with whoever you believe might need this technology, whoever has pain, has issues. I can't make medical claims. Even like people that I know, I've seen amazing stories. People with hip issues, people with fibromyalgia and stuff have just seen some tremendous relief. Again, each person's experience is unique and different, but there's testimony after testimony after testimony of how this incredible machine works. You have a great day. God bless.